Hello student, welcome back. In this session we are learning it is a important stages in agriculture development. So many important stages is there. See developing the agriculture. See here what say green revolution, white revolution and blue revolution. See what is in maximum. So it is a maximum yield from a minimum. So it is a land. See we have to see that nowadays is a population is a increasing day to day our country. See requirement is a increasing. That's why it is a land is not increasing. Land is it is the same is there. But we require the more production. We require the more productions. That's why it is a revolution is a coming. See this revolution maximum yield from minimum land. See who said this one? Dr. Norman Borlaug, USA. See this scientist is a contribution of the say minimum productions. See maximum production in minimum land. Next we have to see the in our India Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, India. Okay, have valuable contribution in green revolution. Valuable contributions. See, more production is a requirement. That's why we have to see the number of hybrid seeds is there. Say we have to see this is green revolution. So many research centers also is there in our India. See we have to see the IARI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi is there. Next NCRI, see National Citrus Research Institute. Where is present this one? Nagpur. Next Indian Institute of Sciences. See here number of institutions is there. See it is a continuously researching on this crop. Next we have to see this is a green revolution. Next we have to see the white revolution. White revolution, see increase the production of dairy and dairy products. See requirement is a day to day increasing. See these food substances also is a so many technology is a developed, and see we have to see the who contribution this one? Dr. Verghese Kurian. Dr. Verghese Kurian. See number of production. See it is a required to us. See that's why these dairy and dairy products also have to increase. See we are calling the white revolution. Next we have to see the blue revolution. Blue revolution, cultivation of fish products. Okay, blue revolution, production of useful aquatic animals with the help of water. See we have to see the in some regions, in coastal regions of the Andhra, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa. See these coastal region peoples, they are getting the two crops. See one is a rice, another one is a fish. See there is a and here is a useful aquatic animals with the help of water also. Next Neel Kranti mission. It is a 2016. See next freshwater fishes like rohu, katla, rohu is there, katla and other fishing products like the shrimps and lobsters. See this like green revolution, production of, see it is a green revolution, production of grains. White revolution, so it is a dairy and dairy products, milk products. Next blue revolution, is a aquatic animals. Next we have to see the fertilizers. Next we have to see fertilizers. See, you already learned fertilizers also. See, ninth standard. It is a deep is there this lesson. See, fertilizers. Mostly fertilizers is a two types is there. Two types. Okay. One is a organic fertilizers. Another one is a chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers. Two types of fertilizers is there. Organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers is a see, water holding capacity of the soil increases. See what? See, water holding capacity. Water holding capacity. Capacity increases. Okay, water holding capacity is a increases. Water holding capacity of soil. See, of soil increases. Okay. Next, we have to see the no side effect. Is there any side effect? No. No side effect. Next, we have to see the fertility of soil increases. Fertility of soil increases. Fertility of soil is a increases. See, production is a increases here. Production is increases. Okay. Next we have to see the how side effect. How side effect. Next we have to see the fertility of soil decreases. Fertility of soil decreases. Okay. See, just listen here. What said? Organic fertilizer water holding capacity is increasing. If we adding to this manure to our land, see what will happen? See, water holding capacity is increasing. Next, there is no side effect because you are using the organic fertilizers. See, manure. See, fertility of the soil is increasing. Fertility of the soil is increasing. See, if you add to the chemical fertilizers, production is increasing. See, we are getting the more production, but effects is there. Side effects also is there. Next, fertility of soil decreases. We have to see the so many farmers nowadays is behaving the selfish and they are adding to these chemical fertilizers to their land. See, if we adding to these chemical fertilizers to their land, see, they are getting the more production, but water holding capacity is very less. See, it is decreasing. If we are decreasing this water holding capacity, we will not get the sufficient yielding in the next crop. See, this like soil pollution is occurring. Next, insecticides. Next, insecticides. What is insecticides? Sides. Sides means to kill. Sides. These sides means to kill. Which for kill? It is a insect. Insect for killing. See, pesticides like DDT and malathion, etc. is using for pesticides. Insecticides. Insecticides like DDT, and we are calling to the, it is a malathion, etc. See, these are a using for killing the insecticides. Next we have to learn another one. Next, organic farming. Organic farming. See, we have to see the nowadays is using the chemical fertilizers is a mostly. We are getting the number of diseases. See, because of we are consuming the chemicals. See, we are using these chemicals like DAP, urea, see, phosphate, and we have to see the so many insecticides, herbicides, weedicides, next killing of the pets. See, number of these chemicals is using on our crop. We are getting the more production, but along with the production we are getting the so many diseases also. That's why nowadays so many members is moving towards the organic farming. See, without using any chemicals, they are using the only, so it is a plant waste and animal waste. So it is a natural manure is adding to their crops, and they are getting the so many crops. See, adverse affect the chemicals and pesticides. Next, extremely fertilizers like manure is used. See, extremely fertilizers we have to use the manure, and crop with good national, see, nutritional values. See, we have to see the first what said. So it is a adverse affect the chemicals, effect of chemicals and pesticides. Next we have to see the, here is a eco-friendly fertilizers. Eco-friendly fertilizers. Eco-friendly fertilizers like manure is used. Next we have to see the crop with good nutritional value. Crop with good nutritional values. See, that's why we have to do the organic farming. Next we have to see the apiculture. What is apiculture? Beekeeping. See, we are calling the beekeeping also. See, apiculture means beekeeping, means honey productions. See, old technique and new technique. See, here is a two types is there. One is a old technique and another one is a new technique. See, what is using old technique? See, इससे पहले old technique क्या करते थे बोले तो see, they are using the flame. See, नीचे से उसको फ्लेम लगाना है तो क्या होता था, ऊपर की जो honey bees they will be dying. See, after they are collecting this honey. See, it is a old day. Next we have to see the new technique. What will happen? It is a honey bee also keeping. Bee keeps is a in a trace like is there. They are holding a place, and these honey bees is a production also increasing. Nowadays it has a nutritional values, and it is using the various purpose for this honey bees also. So it is a new technique and old technique. Next we have to see the cultivation of medicinal plants. Cultivation of medicinal plants. See, so many medicinal plants also is there. They are cultivating. See, this like neem trees. So many medicinal values plants also is a cultivating in our India. Next another one here is a fruit processing unit. Fruit processing unit. See, we are basically in India we are getting the in some season. See, it is a specific season for we are getting the some fruits like mango. Mango is a mango we are getting in the summer only. See, in this food processing unit we have to store, we have to conservation. See, it is a we have to saving these substances. Like we have to see the mango we are using, and preparation of the pickles, and preparation of the jams, jellies. Next we have to see the see this like we are preparing juices like. Next some fruit substances like drying, salting, and we are making the juices also. See, this like we are using the this so many fruits.